Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you that how you can remove background from an image in Leonardo.ai. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So as you can see, I have generated some images using Leonardo.ai, and let's suppose I want to remove the background of this particular image. So if I hover over the image, you will see some options. In the bottom middle, you will see an option which says remove background. This will cost you 2 tokens, but don't worry, your tokens will reset after a few hours. So just click on this option which will help you remove the background of the image. Now give some time to Leonardo.ai to start working on it. And once it's done working, click on this button and you can see the background has been removed from the image. And that's it. That's how you can remove background from an image. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.